Hi, welcome. So we'll continue from where we left off in the previous lecture. So now I will demonstrate you the difference between the staging area and the commit area. So let's modify our major milestones files again. Press enter and we are in the editor. Press I key to insert and enter to go to the next line. So we have formed the public limited company and core team and development team to have been formed. So we are in a hurry and we want to launch the development process. So our next milestone achieved is product development process launched. Press escape key :WQ to quit and save. So the star indicates that we have modified the file and now I'll add it to the index or the staging area using git add command. Press enter and the plus symbol indicates we have successfully added it to the staging area. Okay, so let's add another line to measure milestones file. VIM and press enter and we are inside the editor. Press I key to insert and we go down below and press enter and let us enter our fifth line. So the product development process has been launched. So logically now the business has started and there needs to be many other supporting departments. So let's decide that the next major milestone that needs to be achieved is hiring the various other supporting departments. So hiring and forming the HR, administrative and purchase department, DPT for short for department. Press escape key :WQ to quit and save. So we have achieved this major milestone. So you can see now that the custom bash prompt shows star and plus symbol, which means there is a modification as well as there is an addition to the staging area. Now I will demonstrate you how to inspect the difference between the staging area and the commit area. So when I say commit area, I mean the last known commit, which is the reference head. So let's first use git diff. So git diff space dash dash staged. So staged indicates the staging area and then we have the head. Press enter and here you go. If you remember, we added this line in the major milestones file, which is a product development process launched, and then we added this file to the staging area. Now this has not gone to the commit and hence this is actually the diff between the staging area and the last known commit. So now I will use a diff tool to demonstrate visually the difference between staging area and the head. Press enter and so here we are in the P4 merge diff tool. So here you can see the visually the difference has been illustrated and here too is the left side as well as the right side. So the right side represents the staging area and this is a temporary file, and the left side represents the commit area or the repository, and this too is a temporary file. So let's quit from the tool using file exit menu and we are back in the terminal. Now there is another representation of this command. So instead of staged, we can always say cached. So you can use either staged or cached, and let me press enter to show you the effect of using this command. So here we are. So the resultant effect is same. So you can see still the difference, which is the product development process launched. So this was a line of file that was added to the index or staging area, and the rest of the process is same. So here is the temporary file which is representing the staging area, and the temporary file representing the commit area, both for the major milestones file. Okay, so let's quit from the tool using file exit. Now I'll show you another thing here. Even if you omit this head, it will work in the same manner. So git devtool cached head is same as git devtool cached. So let me press enter, and here again you see the resultant effect is same. We can still see the difference between the staging area and the commit area, which is this particular line, product development process launched. Let's quit from the tool once again, and in the same manner, instead of git devtool staged head, if you simply use git devtool staged and press enter, you will see the same effect of the command as the difference between the commit area and staging area. So let's exit from the tool. So all these 4 commands are equivalent and provides the same effect in terms of expressing the difference between the staging area and the last known commit, which is the head. So I'll continue building up this major milestone document as well as other documents and continue to demonstrate you other aspects of this git dev tool and git diff command. So with this, we conclude this lecture.